to go weird a second ago. No, it's fine. I think that was a coincidence that my Ethernet went out exactly when I chose to go live. Maybe. Wow. GSAT. Whew, what a gain this morning. Already 25% up on the break at $2. Nice. Successfully. I think I'm getting connected and disconnected. How's the stream, guys? It seems solid. It's going off of Wi-Fi now. All right, that's good. Okay. Boy, GSAT really taking off. All right, let's see if there's anything else up here. Could be some big caps. SPRT, KPLT, Root, DSPG. No, not enough volume. Blinn, possibly. We have so many opportunities popping this morning. Don't feel bad today if you get in 1, 2, or 3 positions and they aren't the biggest winning positions today, because we have a good dozen opportunities before us, maybe more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 at the moment, and there might even be more in a second. You guys who can trade pre-market, almost said pre-flop, ATER. If it breaks 10-11, you can get in for $1 of risk. And we missed the GSAT breakout. That was earlier. And amazingly, finally, MMAT is having its day. Every dog has its day. And finally, this piece of shit stock that everyone's been talking about for, I don't know, months is having a good day. So because of confirmation, what do they call it? Confirmation bias? Yeah, everyone's going to go like, see, I told you, MMAT is the best. Because it had one good day. One. In 5 months. Ay. Dealing with human beings. Ogen also popping. Oh, I know. It's never going to go away. It's going to be like Clove for fucking 8 months. All right, Ogen, pretty scraggly, bad looking chart. But now, let me go by market cap here. ADR is flying. Yes, it is. Yes. ADR, if it breaks 10-11, you can get in for $1.10 of risk, $9 being the stop. All right, what else is up? Huge. So AFRM is up 49%, and it's an $18 billion market cap. What's the float on this puppy? 132 million float. So that's going to trade like a big company. You're not necessarily going to see a squeeze or anything like that. Let's see here. MQ, possibly another one. MQ closed at 26 on Friday, hit 30 in pre-market. All right, and it is up on only 100,000 volume, so not a lot of volume. Newegg is up 7%. Newegg closed at 19, hit 21 on Friday, hit 21 again pre-market, and it's at 2060 right now. Oh, Newegg has earnings tomorrow. Okay, yeah, that reminds me. I want to take a look at Zoom. Zoom has earnings after hours, I believe. Okay, no good trades there for us on Zoom. What for us? That's Robinhood for you. Oh, I put $1 in Bitcoin back at 8,000, and Robinhood just sold it because of their $5 monthly fee for gold, which I forgot to cancel. They like liquidated one of your stocks to pay for some fee. Oh yeah, they're gonna suck money. They're just vacuuming money up from everyone, just all over any way they can. TAL, TAL. I think that's one of the education ones. It's up a bit, but it's kind of barcodey. Closed down at 483 on Friday. Hit 520. Not much more, 40 cents. Not that big of a deal over on TAL. Root we got. And there we are, sub 1 billion. Okay. So yeah, that's our palette of picks this morning, and there's a lot of good ones. Be big if it breaks 1060, which I have a feeling it will. We'll be able to get in that for probably something like $1 of risk. Yeah, gone, because 8,000 times 5 is 40,000. So yeah, now you have like $1 left. Smorgasbord, that's right. Like in Tremors. Or the graboids. Oh, okay, let's see. I don't know if I started up my computer or not. Well, I did. So, where are you, computer? Hello, computer. You have to use the mouse. Oh. Hello, computer. No, just use the keyboard. Oh, how quaint. The keyboard. That's cool. The NiceHash miner will run already. It'll start running already, apparently. Even if you haven't logged in your computer yet. Anybody new to mining? Like Vanessa? Anybody? You guys get yourself set up lately? GSAT, we're on it. Yeah. All right, we have so many good opportunities this morning. Label the picks. Thank you. Yeah, I need to do that. You're new to mining? Oh, that's cool. So I like NiceHash and Hive OS. Those are things you can look into if you're new to mining. I've been through tons of those mining systems. Well, I've got MMAT up twice. Okay. Good. That means I have an empty slot over here. Yep, we got MMAT right there at the bottom. The stop on BBIG would have to be 7.6. So $1.30 of risk to enter right now. I like lithium. Yeah, that could be good. But that's a long play, like 9-year transformation of the auto industry. That's a long, like forever hold. A lithium mining company. RJ says, I want to set up some mining capabilities on my current setup. So RJ, what kind of GPU do you got? 16 minutes to the market open. You guys over on TikTok will be shutting down the TikTok in 16 minutes when the market opens. Click the link in my bio to join us live in our trading community so that when the market opens, you can be trading with us. We have a lot of opportunities going on, Gary. So there's not really a top three. Just pay attention. Think fast. RJ, are you trying to figure out what GPU you got? You're interested in mining but don't want to burn out my current setup. Well, there's nothing to burn out unless you use the CPU, but GPUs are very capable of handling it. Just imagine you play like Call of Duty for like 10 hours a day, every day. That's not going to burn out your GPU. It's going to last 5-7 years. Normal, like it's going to last the normal length of time. And your GPU is what does the processing. And it's actually even, in some ways, even lighter duty than like three-dimensional graphics. Oh, dude, RJ, you have a 3070 in your current setup. Man, you should be mining every day. So send me a private message, RJ. And then Ed has 1660 Supers, 3070, and 3060s. I think Ed is mining. Yeah, he just got a second miner going. Okay, yeah. I don't have much of a setup. I have 5 1660 Supers. I don't have much of a setup there. Spread across three computers. 3 computers, total of 5 1660 Supers. And they are off and on depending on how I use them. But I can say that since March, so March of this year, is when I got them all pretty tweaked and running. Since March, so that's what 5 months. In 5 months, I've made $2.1 thousand in mining. So that's pretty good. That's pretty good. It's something. I could definitely take that money and buy more gear and up the mining. But right now, I'm a little bit trying to tread slowly, see what's going to happen with ETH2. Oh, the hash rate I get on the supers is 31.7. I know that for sure, Ed. And that's like perfect. Like that's the maximum, optimum. And cool. Like very, like the fan speed, I think is 60%, and the temperature is like 47. It's very nice and cool. That's what I really love about those supers. That's what I really like about the supers. Yeah, it's really good and it's super cool. Like the 3070 could never run that cool. Yeah, yeah, that's hot. Like that's a kind of too hot for my taste. Like I worry, about melting the anything, any equipment. Yeah, yeah, but that's the 1660 Supers with the Hynix. Hey, you guys, over on TikTok, make sure you click the link in my bio. The market's going to open in 12 minutes. We're going to be cutting off the TikTok feed at that time, but you can continue being with us live. Just click the link in my profile, and come on over to our trading community. Pick up the free trial, and then you can be with us today trading. We're going to be trading BBIG, SPRT, AFRM, ATER, MMAT is finally having a great day. MQ. We have a lot of things popping. Newegg, Blinn, OGen, GSAT, Root, KPLT. It's an amazing day today. It's definitely worth your click. Grab that free trial. It's worth whatever tiny bit of effort you have to go through. You're going to make money. So yeah, you got the 3090 and it's hot as fuck. I know, Chris. Yeah, that's what I really worry about, the 3070, 3080, and 3090s. I really, really don't want, and the fans are like at yeah, not too into that. Like right now, this computer over here is mining. I got three GPUs on that. It's so quiet. Like I can't even hear it. It's like, yeah. I mean, you can get those liquid coolers and snap them on there, but yeah. Oh, Blinn. Ooh, Todd with the really good monitoring. Way to go, Todd. Reza, you can overclock that. Yes, you can. You probably just need to run, I think it's called MSI Afterburner. And you just set it to certain computers, motherboards and stuff may not be able to communicate the overclock information, but I think so. I think you just got to find the right settings. I use Hive OS, but when I'm simultaneously using Windows, I use NiceHash. Oh yeah, this is Hive OS right here. You just put it on a USB stick. Simple, so simple. Choop, boom, automatic. And then everything is controlled by either your phone or another to Blinn. It's a 50 cents of risk and still a good entry right now. AFRM is pulling all the way back to where it broke. Oh, that's good. Okay, so good. So that's about what, like, let's see, about $30 a day, right, Reza? That sound about right? Yeah, sorry, but yeah, I've got a Wi-Fi connection today, so it might be a little bit trippy. But I think that once we cut off the feed in 7 minutes, that it'll be less congested and you'll probably hear me better. Reza, that doesn't sound right, man. Yeah, send me a private message too. I think your setup needs to be tweaked. YouTube channel, yeah, just click the link in my profile for YouTube. Just joining what's popping. Be big. Well, what's popping at the moment is Blinn, but we've got GSAT, AFRM, ATER, KPLT, Be Big, MQ, MMAT, Newegg, and Blinn, all popping. And we also have Neuro, SPRT, SBET, Root, GSMG, SCOC, TAL, TAL, and a couple others. It's quite the morning. You guys need to be ready to type fast. There's good opportunities here. Planning to get married at the end of the month. So any advice on that or something? What did you say? So any what? RE. Type the rest of that and then see if I can help you. Faraz says prenup. Yeah. How old? She's 15. No, I don't know. I'm not talking about me. Somebody on here. Under 30, don't do it. Whoa, right. Yeah, definitely. Men don't get married until your 40s. And women, is my opinion, until your 30s. Or if you're an alternative, then that doesn't matter. And Matt Klesmazowski says, don't get married at all. Prenup. We got everybody saying prenup. But you had been dating 10 years before. Wow, that's a lot of dating. I mean, like, that's a long time. Not like this, like, mini dates. I know what you mean. Why bring the courts into the relationship? Yes, Stephen. Stephen, I got it. Ready? Stephen, ready? Born to be wild. What do you think? No, you don't have to trademark it either. And that's the thing is, well, anyway, I'll talk to you after. All right. Send me a private message. Maybe we can brainstorm off that anyway. Oh, cool. Mark G, you sent me a message. Send me another one because I accidentally clicked read on it. And now when I'm done with the trading session today, I'll go back and read unread messages, but not the read ones, and I won't see your message. So make sure you send me another message in a little bit so that you pop your message back up to the top of my reading list. All right, we have 3 minutes and 40 seconds to the market open. And ATER is holding pretty strong. I like that about ATER. Oh, MQ, get ready, guys, on MQ. If it breaks 30.34 at the moment, you can get in for $1.40 of risk at 30.34 MQ. We have a lot of opportunities up here. Based on the shape of things, based on the shapes of these charts, I like the most MMAT right now, MQ, ATER, ATER, I would say those are the top three. And Blinn is actually doing okay, even though it hasn't quite followed through on that breakout, but it's actually doing okay. GSAT, I also like. If it breaks 265 pre-market high, you can get in for 30 cents of risk. These things are going to move fast. Be ready to type fast. These call outs are going to happen like, and you will be late because you're not, if you're waiting for me, you will be late. If you understand the system and the strategies we use, then you'll be ahead of the game. Even then, there's so many opportunities this morning that unless you have a 10 up trading system, I don't know how you're going to be able to snatch every one of these. The risk for MQ $1.30, $1.40, something like that. All right, 1 minute and 50 seconds to the market open. Everybody over on TikTok, make sure you click the link in my profile to come join us live. And the market is opening at an all-time high. So sometimes when it does that, gaps open, sometimes it'll have a little push and then it'll fade the whole day. So it could be a red day all day today. Or it could be green. We'll see. All right, 59 seconds until the market opens. We'll be shutting down the TikTok feed in 50 seconds. Make sure you click the link in my profile to come join us live. I think I did middle of the map. I think I did get back to you the other day, but sorry. You need to come join my group. You know, if you want like the more interactivity and so I can be helping you. The risk for BBIG would be we want to see it break 1060, and currently at that time it would be $2 of risk. Depending on how it trades, that could change though. But right now, $2 of risk. The stop on Blinn is 540. Should it stop you out, be careful over there, but you might get a nice run there at the open, or it could crap out. Here we go. The market is open. All right, we're getting triggers everywhere. Where do we have our first trigger? MQ is the closest, guys. Be careful. Watch MQ. We're looking for it to break 30.34. Amazingly, a lot of these opportunities are crapping out at the open right now. All right, that's fine. That just eliminates some. Blinn is popping a bit. If Blinn breaks 635, you can get in for 50 cents of risk. Some of you are already in. Remember to be taking profits underneath every 25 cent level on stocks between $5 and $10. ELYM halt to the what? Oh, that's good.